Select the one word or phrase that needs to be used in place of the underlined text to make the sentence correct, or indicate that the underlined text is not in error. After the dolphin went missing, search and rescue divers searched the coves and inlets where it normally swims. Before looking at our choices, let's see if we can find an error with the underlined word. The sentence begins with, "After the dolphin went missing," clearly situating this event in the past. But later in the sentence, we read, "The divers searched the places where the dolphin normally swims," in the present tense. This creates a problem because, again, our sentence was set up in the past tense. Because we're describing a place the dolphin used to go to before it went missing, the verb needs to match the past tense. This being the case, we could replace swims with the past tense swam, which we actually see offered as choice C. This leads us to believe that choice C could likely be our answer, but we'll take a look at choices B and D just to be sure. B. Swimming. Swimming is the present participle form of the verb and is typically used in continuous tenses that describe an action that is or was ongoing or continuous. It can't stand alone as the main verb in a clause without a helping verb like is or am. Is swimming or am swimming, for example. However, we don't see a helping verb in our sentence. Were we to replace swims with swimming, we'd have where it normally swimming, without a helping verb. Because this context doesn't lend itself to this verb form, we can mark this choice off. And D. Swum. Swum is the past participle form of the verb to swim, and similarly to swimming, is typically used in perfect tenses with helping verbs like has or had swum or had swum. Again, since our sentence doesn't have a helping verb, we can see that this isn't a good fit. Based on this, we can mark this choice off and mark our original answer, choice C, as our final answer.